In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a file in Bitbucket. Whether you're a newcomer to version control or just new to Bitbucket, this guide is here to make the process seamless and straightforward for you. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Bitbucket workspace. This is the area that serves as the central hub for all of your projects, allowing you to manage and collaborate on your code with ease. Once you're in your workspace, locate the repository you're interested in. Think of the repository as your project's home base, where all the code resides. Upon clicking on the repository, you'll be greeted by various options on the left-hand side. Naturally, you're going to select Source. This is where all the files that make up your project live. This interface is designed to give you a clear view of all the parts that come together to build your project. Next, it's time to find the file you wish to edit. Simply browse through the list of files and click on the one you need. The system will take you to a dedicated view of the file content. Before you proceed with editing, it might be wise to have a clear idea of what changes are necessary. Make sure you've reviewed the code so there are no nasty surprises later on. Once you have your file open, you'll notice the Edit button prominently displayed. By clicking this button, you enter the editing mode, allowing you to make the necessary changes to your code. Whether you're correcting a simple typo or introducing a new feature, this is where the magic happens. After you've entered or modified the information necessary, it's crucial to make sure everything is accurate. Double-check your changes to avoid any future conflicts or issues. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on the Commit button. This action records your changes, essentially saving a snapshot of the updated file for future reference. After clicking Commit, you will be prompted to complete the commit process within a dialog window. Here, it's a good practice to leave a clear and concise message about the changes you've made. This helps other team members understand what adjustments were made and why. Once your message is in place, you'll click Commit again in the dialog, which will finalize the process. Now, the commit page will automatically open, displaying the changes you've just made. It's always useful to give it one last look, ensuring everything is as expected. And that wraps it up. You can now head back to the source page, where you can see your updated file among the rest of your project's files. Remember, understanding each step and its significance makes working with Bitbucket a lot easier. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if needed. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding!